everyone, I am Kanika and I'll give you some content about insider trading. What is insider trading? It is an important topic that we all must know and all must aware about it. So, it is dealing in securities of a listed company owned by a person who has knowledge of material inside information which is not known by the general public. Okay, एक insider trading securities होता है ऑफ अ कंपनी ऑफ एनी पर्सन, किसी की भी पर्सन की कंपनी में जिसको इनसाइड इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है पर आउटसाइड वो नहीं आने देता और जनरल पब्लिक नहीं होती. इनसाइडर, हु इज द इनसाइडर? ही इज द पर्सन कनेक्टेड विद द कंपनी एंड हु हैव द अनपब्लिश्ड प्राइस सेंसिटिव इन्फॉर्मेशन और रिसीव द इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अ कंपनी फ्रॉम somebody to an company. Okay, with detailed clarification what the insider person is. It can be the banker of the company, he can official stock exchange or clearing corporation, a holdings, associate subsidiary company, or an immediate relative or connected person, any person who has been associated with the company in manner during 6 months prior to the concern or an act. Trading means, and it includes subscribing, buying, selling, dealing, agreeing to buying, sell, subscribe, deal in securities. Securities in the sense Stock Exchange of India, SEBI. What are insider traders and who are them? Corporate officers, directors and employees who traded corporation securities after learning significant confidential corporate developments. Second, friends, business associates, family members and employees of law, banking, brokerage, firms who were given such information to provide services of the corporation whose securities are traded. They are the persons of the insider traders. Then it can be said that in India, why it is talk about insider trading. Insider trading was in India unhindered in 130-year-old stock market till about 1970. In 1979, the HR Committee recommended amendments to the Companies Act 1956 to restrict and prohibit the dealings of the employees. Penalties were also suggested to prevent cyber trading. Then there it includes financial results, dividend, changes capital structure, mergers, demergers, acquisition, delistation, and such other transactions. Change in KMPS, material events in order to listening government. Then when will come up more things, regulatory aspects of prohibitions of insider trading. SEBI Provision Insider Trading Regulation Act was given 1995. SEBI means Security Exchange Board of India. Section 11, Clause 2 of Companies Act 1956 prohibits the insider trading. Where is the need for the prohibition of insider trading? As per SEBI, prohibition of insider trading is where to make securities market fair and transparent. Insider trading की क्यों जरूरत होती है? prohibition क्यों है? क्योंकि वो सिक्योरिटी की मार्केट को फेयर और ट्रांसपेरेंट रखे, to have a level playing field for all the participants in the market and for a free flow of information about the information symmetry, कि information symmetry ना हो और सब normally बात करें, मतलब help करें and information inside ना रहे, बाहर भी जाए. That means everyone should know everything about it. So moving forward, there are some things important to know about it. Buy and sell it of a publicly traded company stock by someone who has non-public material information about that stock. Material, that means non-public information is any information that could be substantially impact or investor decision and to buy or sell the security that is not available to the public. ऐसी security है जो public को available नहीं है. Then this form of insider trading is illegal and come with the stern penalties including both potential fines and jail time also. Insider trading can be legal as long as it conforms to the rules set forth by SEC. Now, if there is a phrase, violence in security in a breach of fiduciary duty or other relationship or trust, confidence on the basis of material non-public information about security. This is the phrase given for the insider trading. Now, let's take some instances of insider trading. It is generally a negative connotation. Legal insider trading happens in the stock market on a weekly basis. The SEC requires transactions that have been submitted in a electronically in a timely manner. The transactions are submitted electronically to the SEC and almost disclosed to the company's website. Then, If we take an example, there is an example of Amazon insider case. In September 2017, former Amazon.com company financial analyst Brett Kennedy was charged with insider trading. Authorities said Kennedy gave Foley University of Washington alumni Mazi Rekani information to Amazon 2015 first quarter earnings before the release. Rekani paid Kenny $10,000 for the information. In this case, SEC said Rekani made 115.997 trading Amazon shares based on the tip of Kennedy. So this was a little example which was held in Amazon at September 2017. It's an old example, but an example for understanding insider trading. I hope you get some of the content. It was the gist. I hope, but if it comes a question that when is insider trading illegal, so we can give an answer that insider trading is deemed to be illegal when the material information is non-public and still comes with the harsh consequences, including both potential fines and the jail time. I concluded that before also. Then, material non-public information is defined any information that could be substantially impact the stock price of the company. Obviously, being privy to some information could influence an investor's decision to buy or sell the security, which could give them an urge or ebb to do not have such access to that security. So, when insider trading is legal insider trading happens in the stock market on weekly basis. This question legally stems SEC attempt to maintain a fair market price. Basically, it is legally when company inside engage in a trading company stock as they report trades to the SEC timely manner. The Security Exchange Act of 1934 was the first step to the disclosure of transaction of company stock. Giving an example, directors and major owner of stock may disclose their stakes, transaction and change of ownership. Now, I hope that you understood the difference between what is insider legal trading and illegal trading. So, thank you so much, everyone.